So what we have here is a poplar tree in a hole. Uh, Wife asked me to get rid of it, amongst a bunch of other ones. But problem being with this one is I can't reach it, I don't think, with the Mini. I'm going to try to reach it. If not, we'll have to use plan B or C or D or I don't know. Nice fish. It's all rusty. Get my gloves dirty. Well, gonna have to do something about that. Now, if I had a sandblaster, that would fix it. But I don't. I do have the next best thing. Now the reason for the chain is I might be able to reach that tree with the mini excavator, but I won't be able to get near the bottom. So chances are it'll just snap off. It might anyways, but I think maybe if I hook a chain to the bottom and pull, either it's gonna rip all the branches off, it might pull it out, I don't know. It's a pretty big tree and those things have quite the root system on them. So anyways, we need a chain. But we're gonna fix the chain first. Maybe. Now the untrained eye might be thinking, what's that idiot gonna do now? The thing about this method is the faster you go, the cleaner they get. Okay, so that was about 5 minutes. It's almost new again. Imagine if you went for like 20 minutes or a half an hour, it would be new. Well, not new, but new to me. Benjamin's not with me today. He called in sick. Ate something rotten. It's treacherous down here. Maybe a different angle. Okay, now that thing, it's just not budging. That little machine weighs 7,000 pounds, and that's not a very big tree, but it's in there. Now I'm only left with a few options. I could, I could just cut it off with a chainsaw, but it's gonna grow a bunch more. I can cut it off and drill holes in it and kill it. It's still gonna grow a bunch more. I think the next option is to soak the ground really good and see if that helps to loosen it up a bit. I think soaking the ground is probably the next thing to do. So I'll just leave the chain on it for now, and I'll get the hose on there, and well, I'll have to wait till I have more time. I'll get the hose on there and see if that makes a difference. But yeah, I'll probably have to do it in another video. Clock on the wall says it's time to go.